Hey guys, my name is Eva Anthony. Welcome to my channel. So in this video today, I'm going to show you a hack that I found out, plus I've been using for a long time now, on how to clean your beauty blenders or your beauty sponges. With me here are some pretty dirty beauty blenders that I'll be doing this hack on to show you what I am doing. This is basically a way that I found to clean my beauty blenders and which is working seriously for me, so why not I thought to share with you guys. If you have any hacks or ways with which you clean your beauty blenders, then let us know down in the comment section. Give me a thumbs up if you end up liking this video or if you found this tutorial really helpful. And with that, let's get right into this. So this is the Beauty Line by Didi Beauty blending sponge, and the color is actually supposed to be baby pink, but as you can see it's really dirty and needs to be cleaned. So first I'll be showing you how I would normally clean my sponges with dishwashing liquid. This is the Morning Fresh dishwashing liquid. You could use any dishwashing liquid that you have, or you could use any hand washing liquid too. So what I usually do is to soak the blender with water. I just make sure that it grows bigger, so I keep soaking it until I feel like it's soaked up enough, and then I squeeze out. And next I'll be taking an amount of the soap, and then I start to wash or clean my sponge. So this is one method that I used to clean my sponges before I found this new hack. So this works sometimes, but the foam that comes out of this method would never leave the sponge. Like, you have to keep squeezing and rinsing, squeezing and rinsing, but it never leaves, and it always leaves the stains behind. The stains never go away. So another way I would usually clean them was with hot water or warm water. So what I do is I add dishwashing liquid into a bowl with the water, and I just put the sponge in it, and I would leave it for like say 15 minutes to 20 minutes for it to soak up and then bring out whatever dirt is in the sponge. Now this works too, and it's better than the previous method that I just showed you, but it still would not get those stains out. I mean, some of the stains will leave, but most of the stains will still be on my beauty blender, and the foam will still be in my beauty blender. And because of that, I started to use just my black beauty blenders, or I prefer to use my black beauty blenders, because I mean, we wouldn't get any stains with that, right? Now this is another beauty blender here, and this one is from V Beauty. As you can see, I have not tried cleaning it yet. So for the hack that you all have been waiting to see or to watch, is that I use a bar soap. Now the bar soap that I'm going to be showing, or I'm going to be using, is one from Johnson's Baby. You can use any bar soap though, but make sure that it's one that you use to bathe, because I've not tried the one you can use to wash your clothes. So I always use one that you use to bathe, so make sure you try to use that too, because I don't think if washing bar soap is going to work. I don't know anyway, but you can try it out. So a bar soap like this, you can get this from any mall close to you, and I got the pack of 6 for about, I think, 1,000 plus. I can't really remember. So first thing you want to do is to run this underwater until it gets bigger. You can use any side of the soap. What I do is to run the blender back and forth on the soap on any side that you choose, making sure that the soap gets to all sides of the sponge. Yeah, so I also do this while the water is running, and what this does is that it cleans it from the inside out. I squeeze all the soap out of the sponge, but you have to be careful not to tear your sponge. So I do this and I squeeze it under the tap or under the running water until the water runs clear, and you're done. So you have to set this aside to dry. So this is another beauty blender, and this one here is from White Glam Beauty. So I'm just going to be soaking it up and then start running it over my soap. What you want to do is to, okay, basically I add a little bit of pressure to it. Don't be afraid to like add pressure to it, it's not going to tear. Okay, so continue back and forth until it's clean and nice. Make sure all the makeup and dirt and foam is out before you set it aside to air dry. This one is from Beauty Line by Didi. I love this brand so much, and I love this beauty blender because it's really soft, and this is my most preferred beauty blender before I found out this hack for my other colored beauty blender. So we're just going to be doing the same process that we did earlier. Squeeze out all the soap and foam from the sponge, and here you go. So that's it for this tutorial. This is the way that I found to start cleaning my beauty blenders, and it works. So if you guys have any other hacks that you know and which is not this particular hack, you can let us know down in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up before you leave if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. It's that red button down there. Click the bell notification just so that you get notified whenever I put up any video at all, or whenever any video drops or goes up. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.